Alameda bought this obscure over-the-counter desk to handle FTX banking. HiveX, an Australian over-the-counter trading desk, was purchased by Alameda Research in 2020 and subsequently used to accept deposits for FTX. What was HiveX? HiveX was an over-the-counter desk in Australia, started in early 2018 by Fred Shibesta and Frank Restuccia. The duo started Finder, a financial services comparison website, before deciding to enter the over-the-counter business. From the get-go, Shibesta had a broader vision than just over-the-counter trading. He first launched a payments processing service for crypto called Hive Spend, and then purchased a stake in Australian bank Goldfields Money before announcing his intention to launch Australia's first cryptocurrency bank. Shortly after this, HiveX began advertising its ability to help bank initial coin offerings thanks to its partnership with Goldfields Money. Providing banking became an important service for HiveX during this period, even including an executive in charge of bank accounts brokering on its team page. Alameda Research buys HiveX. In August 2020, Alameda Research purchased HiveX for $300,000 Australian dollars, just over $200,000. In September 2020, FTX announced that it had partnered with HiveX so that FTX people could deposit Australian dollars as a domestic transfer. Notably, while the tweet is from FTX, the text on the image says, quote, "now allowing domestic Australian dollars transfers straight to Alameda's over-the-counter desk," end quote. Eventually, in December 2021, it would be transferred to FTX Trading for $100, coincidentally the same amount it declared as having on hand when it filed its declaration of solvency with corporate regulators on October 4th. FTX stops using HiveX. In May 2022, u/backoffwarchild posted to the FTX official subreddit to ask if anyone else's pay ID had changed for bank deposits. The original one they cited was HiveEX at moneytechfx.com, but it had changed to FTX Express at monixfin.com. They eventually returned to the thread to let everyone know that the change was legitimate. It seems that the partnership with HiveX to enable FTX users to deposit was no longer functioning. Goldfields Money. Meanwhile, Goldfields Money, the bank that HiveX had originally announced its partnership with, has reportedly notified Bitcoin businesses that their accounts would be closed effective November 18th. Protos has reached out to Goldfields Money to determine its exposure to FTX and Alameda, and to confirm previous reporting on these debankings. We'll update this piece if we hear back. After Shibesta had purchased his stake in Goldfields Money, it first merged with Australian business lending provider Finsure to form BNK Banking Corporation, and was later sold off Finsure. The Goldfields Money brand is still active and indicated as one of FTX's banking partners in the ongoing bankruptcy. What's it mean? Sam Bankman-Fried used a variety of entities across his cryptocurrency cabal to maintain access to banking in different jurisdictions. It's been previously admitted by Sam Bankman-Fried that FTX relied on Alameda accounts, but it seems it was also willing to purchase other over-the-counter desks to facilitate continued access to banking for FTX customers. For more informed news, follow us on Twitter and Google News, or listen to our investigative podcast, Innovated Blockchain City.